Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox encountered an unexpected error issue on Windows. First, we will disable a setting called memory integrity, which is the most common fix. Click on the Windows search bar and type Core Isolation. Then open the Core Isolation settings. You will see an option called Memory Integrity. Turn this option off and then restart your computer. After your system restarts, open Windows Security by searching for it in the Start menu. Go to App and Browser Control, then click on Exploit Protection Settings and open the Program Settings tab. Here, you need to find Roblox Player Beta in the list. If it is not there, go to your desktop, right-click the Roblox shortcut, and select Open File Location. Copy the folder path shown at the top. Now go back to Windows Security, click on Add Program to customize, choose Exact File Path, and paste the path. Select Roblox Player Beta and click Open. Scroll down and disable Control Flow Guard CFG and also disable Hardware Enforced Stack Protection. Click Apply to save the changes. If the problem is still not fixed, perform a clean reinstall. Open the control panel and uninstall Roblox. After that, download and install the latest version again and launch the game to check if the error is resolved. Thanks for watching.